In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect GoPro to Atem Mini Pro. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up your GoPro and connect it to an Atem Mini Pro. So to start, make sure that you have the GoPro Media Mod accessory. This is essential for newer GoPro models like the Hero 8 and 9 to output HDMI. This will provide a dedicated HDMI port for direct connection to your Atem Mini Pro. Now, after you acquire this accessory, you just need a standard HDMI cable. This will allow you to connect the GoPro's media mod to one of the HDMI inputs of your Atem Mini Pro. So now to connect, attach the Media Pro securely to the GoPro itself and plug one end of the HDMI cable into the HDMI output of the media mod and the other end into an available HDMI input on your Atem Mini Pro. Power on the Atem Mini Pro and navigate to the input settings. You will be able to select the HDMI input where you connected your GoPro and adjust settings like the input source, the audio levels, and the video format as needed. As long as it is securely connected, all of the data will be transferred over. Ensure that your GoPro is powered on and has enough battery to sustain recording. Use a high-quality HDMI cable of appropriate length to avoid signal loss or interference, and consider using the Atem software control to fine-tune settings and monitor your inputs. Keep both your GoPro and Atem Mini Pro updated with the latest firmware for optimal performance and compatibility, and by following these steps, you should be able to successfully connect your GoPro to your Atem Mini Pro. If it doesn't work right away, I recommend restarting both devices and then starting the process over. Remove the media mod, plug it in again, and then confirm that you have the HDMI cable properly connected into the output and input. If it doesn't work, switch the HDMI cable to see if the cable that you are using is faulty. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect GoPro 8 to Atem Mini Pro. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.